Hyunanimous Friends! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So today gagawa tayo na napakasarap na Milo Jelly Tin. So if you want to know how to do this, don't forget to click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video. Let's be friends! And this is our ingredients now. So let's start! Hyunanimous Friends, this is our ingredients. Sugar, 2 pack of Milo, Mr Gulaman, condensed milk, and water. So first, tutunawin ko muna yung gulaman sa bowl. So I will put 1 cup kasi kakailanganan natin ng 6 cup of water. Yan, leave muna natin dyan for a while bago natin haluin. And then, we prepare our casserole. Now, we need 6 cup of water. Three, 4, 5. Then, 6 yung gelatin. Then, continue lang natin haluin. Two cup of Milo. Then, haluin natin hanggang matunaw yung Milo. Next, half cup of condensed milk. Haluin lang natin mabuti. Next, lagay natin ang half cup of sugar. Haluin lang natin mabuti hanggang kumulo ang ating Milo Gelatin na napakasarap na Milo Gelatin. Pag kumulo na ito, lalagay natin sa molding. Ayan, kumukulo na. Let's turn off the heat and then lagay na natin ito sa ating container or molding container. Now, lagay natin sa ating prepared molding. So, we use strainer para maalis yung buo-buo. Ayan, Hyunanimous Friends. Tapos na. Ay, atin na ang ipi-plate ang ating Milo chocolate. Wow, ang sarap. Tada! So, Hyunanimous Friends, if you find this video a really big help, ating napakasarap na Milo Jelly, don't forget to like and share and click the big subscribe button down and notification bell to notify you for my latest video, because you got me and I got you. Just leave the message in the comment box below and I'll be back to you. I promise. Until next video time. Until next time, I love you. Bye!